Hello guys, my name is Deepak Dubey, a BBDC student, final year, branch is computer science. My seminar project is web-based time scheduling and feedback system. This project is made under Saroj Singh ma'am, assistant professor of BBDEC final year. Content: first is introduction, then module and description, hardware and software specification, front and back end, DFD, screenshot, conclusion and future reference. Now let's talk about introduction. What's introduction? This project development to provide a feedback to a student for a manage to their own daily basic work module, so that person make sure what work they have done in effective way. In this in this module, two kinds of module: student registration and student login. By using this technology, we can make sure how much effective you are execute time scheduling in daily basis in current life. In this application, user first registered in the application. So as usual, according to the registration, one login page will be open that based on our own informations. For using this platform, user makes sure what mistake he has done in the past, so that person will change our mistake and make right for next time. What module I am used? First is student registration, second is student login. For student registration, in student registration, simple email and one secure password is required for filling. And second, student login page are keep all user related information in the database, so that user can open with the help of username, it means email, and password, so that user can work properly. So now, what specification I am using in the term of hardware: RAM 2 GB, hard disk main 5 GB, and processor Intel Pentium 4. Software requirement: JDK 1.8 version, JRE environment 8, Windows 10, and IDE I am using Eclipse, and database queries MySQL and Oracle. In the front end, I am using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For backend, Oracle, MySQL, Java. What's planning and scheduling I have done for that project? Planning a project required dividing of various project phase into defined time scale for completion of project on the time. Planning and scheduling are very crucial phase of project life cycle, because the project successful depend on the high or low time estimation of the project, leads to large variation in project overall cost estimation. Finally, conclusion and scope. This project is designed in order to reduce the burden of bulk of record in the mind. That data is always come into the mind. It is difficult to maintain all the data in the right way, so that in this mind, so this platform provide help to keep the data in the rightful manner in our minds. Also provide feedback on according to our own previous work module. What future inventions? Future enhancement: due to lack of time, the design part is not done so attractive. Further enhancement is required. Thank you.